YouTube, what's up, family? We got Louis de Finesse. Finesse. And a Cadillac car repair. The sucker, Gérard Oury. I guess that's the director. 1965. Look, we love Louis. Let's go. Let's check it. Oh, this must be from a movie. Must be from another movie. Okay, let's go. Oh. Et son pneu est bien foutu.
Restez là.
Ma quest'ora.
Je paierai. Soldi.
Vengo subito.
Grazie. Vite alors un chemin direction Rompé. Allez.
Roma. Oh. What is he in? He's in Italy? The music and this is great. He did all the work and he's paying them. That was excellent. Et voilà. C'est fini. Oh, Louis. Yeah, that was easy money. Easy money. Oh, that was great. Oh, man, that was so good. The way they did that. Listen, this guy could be, you know how back in the day, there were movies with no sound. Well, no voices. But it was music. This guy would have been a genius at doing that. Look how the music perfectly matches everything he does. Look, this is perfect. This is great. This is excellent. Hey, it's Louis. The king, the legend, died way too early. I was just reading. He died at 68. I would imagine a heart attack. But it's too bad. He could have went on for at least another 10 years, making us laugh our ass off. But this guy, a legend. Absolute legend. Like a Charlie Chaplin before his time. You know what I mean? Anyway, Cadillac, car repair, the sucker. You the sucker, man. You just did all the work and you paid him. Anyway, good one, Patreon. Good one. Très bien. C'est amusant. Très amusant avec lui. Toujours avec lui, ça va être toujours amusant. Toujours. Une bonne rigolade. Absolutely. Et avec lui, toujours. Take care. Peace out. À la prochaine et bonsoir.